So someone sent me this financial report and told me, Katie, can you please help me out in cleaning this data so we can go ahead and showcase it to the executive team in the next 1 hour? I don't have the time. There's so many different inconsistencies here, like the date, the title of this spreadsheet is also inconsistent. There's some spacings that shouldn't be there. So I can use Copilot to go ahead and do that. How do I do it? I can click over here in the Home tab, and in here, I'm going to scroll all the way to the right. I'm going to go ahead and click on the Copilot icon. And then I'm going to go ahead and ensure that the Copilot tool is focused in Edit with Copilot. You're going to see that icon here. I'm going to paste this prompt. My prompt is going to say, clean this data set for me, remove all duplicate rows, delete all blank rows, standardize all text in sales rep and the rest of the columns. I want it to be consistent in the title case. I also want the date format to be in this format, and I want to remove any leading or training spaces throughout the entire data sheet. I also want to standardize this title over here and make it, everything just needs to be blue. I'm going to send that in. So my Copilot tool will be able to go ahead and clean our data for us, which makes it very easy for us to go ahead and make those quick data cleans that we need to do that usually takes us 3 hours. Well, the Copilot tool can do it within 4 minutes, depending on how big of a data set you have. The tool goes ahead and cleans up my data. And as you can see over here, my date is now consistent. My title is now consistent, and every other aspect of my data now is actually digestible. So the reason why I was very specific with what I want to go ahead and clean is that I want to be able to track exactly what was executed over here. In the right-hand corner, Copilot is going to tell you exactly what is executed, so you can see exactly what was done.